ChatGPT Update Code Interpreter Plugin. Welcome to a moment that could redefine artificial intelligence. Imagine an AI that can not only write, but execute and test its own code? Well, hold that thought, because OpenAI's ChatGPT Code Interpreter just made it a reality for 20 million paid users. This video is set to pull back the curtain on this groundbreaking update, offering a deep dive into its awe-inspiring capabilities. Stick around as we reveal 7 phenomenal things this enhanced AI can accomplish, making this a must-watch for anyone intrigued by the convergence of AI and coding. Let's dive right in. Section 1. The new features. ChatGPT, already a marvel in its original form, has reached an entirely new level of functionality with the integration of the Code Interpreter plugin. From refusing to execute potential cyber attacks to continuously improving its code, this AI has shown both its ethical and practical capabilities. A particularly fascinating aspect is its ability to persevere, testing and adjusting its code relentlessly until achieving the right result, outperforming humans in their capacity to endure trial and error without tiring. The distinctiveness of the ChatGPT Code Interpreter lies in its commitment to not only maintaining the ethical boundaries set by OpenAI, but also striving for coding excellence. In a relentless pursuit to perfect its craft, the AI model, equipped with the Code Interpreter plugin, tirelessly writes, debugs, and refines its code. This kind of work ethic, devoid of human frustrations, can be a game changer in the software industry, inspiring new and refined approaches to coding and debugging methodologies. Section 2. ChatGPT and web development. When it comes to web development, the current iteration of the Code Interpreter only supports Python, with a somewhat limited sense of dependencies. Despite this, the prospect of ChatGPT designing and building a website is on the horizon. This technology is set to be integrated into tools like GitHub Copilot to run code in your specific environment, making the potential for website development and more a tangible reality. The current limitations in terms of language compatibility and dependencies do not overshadow the future possibilities of the Code Interpreter plugin. While at present it is limited to Python, we foresee an era where it could potentially handle an array of programming languages. This opens up new horizons for web development, where the coding, testing, and debugging could be accomplished swiftly, accurately, and autonomously by AI. The integration of this tool with platforms like GitHub Copilot is a testament to the future of coding, driven by intelligent and adaptive AI models. Section 3. File uploading capability. The recent update also introduced the ability to upload files into the prompt, extending its functionality further. With this new feature, even the most abstract concepts can be addressed with newfound ease. For example, if you upload an image of a homework assignment, ChatGPT uses optical character recognition, or OCR, to extract the text and subsequently generates Python code to solve the problems. By running the code, it can now verify its own solutions, a massive leap from the previous versions that could only simulate responses. The file uploading capability of the new ChatGPT version offers an astounding variety of applications. Homework assignments and tasks, once considered to be manual and laborious, can now be effortlessly delegated to this advanced AI model. From reading and understanding the content using OCR, to generating solutions and even self-validating the answers, this AI model transforms abstract problems into manageable automated tasks, fundamentally changing our interaction with digital data. Section 4. Data Analysis Enhancement. One profession that stands to greatly benefit from this new feature is data analysis. As any data analyst can attest, data cleaning, particularly of corporate data found in Excel spreadsheets and SQL databases, is a time-consuming task. With the ability to upload CSV files, ChatGPT can now take over this tedious process, cleaning up the data efficiently and even visualizing it with tools like Seaborn, creating a powerful tool for data scientists and analysts. The improved ChatGPT has not only simplified data analysis, but it has also significantly streamlined the process. By handling tedious tasks such as data cleaning, AI is freeing up time for data analysts to focus on higher-order problem-solving and decision-making, Additionally, with the ability to visualize data in meaningful ways, ChatGPT facilitates more profound insights from data sets, thereby amplifying the power of data-driven decisions in businesses. Section 5. Trading algorithm creation. One might argue that the holy grail of many financial analysts is a flawless trading algorithm. The advanced ChatGPT can now analyze stock trading data, devise optimal trading strategies, and generate impressive returns, even outperforming human-based fund managers. This remarkable capacity offers the possibility of lucrative investment strategies crafted with precision by artificial intelligence. The ability of ChatGPT to devise efficient trading strategies is truly revolutionary. With the computational power and efficiency of AI, the model can analyze vast amounts of financial data and devise algorithms with impressive precision. In a world where financial markets are increasingly influenced by algorithmic trading, this opens up new avenues for investors to potentially harness the power of AI for enhanced returns, setting a new standard for investment and financial management. Section 6. Boundaries and future possibilities. Despite these outstanding advancements, it's important to note that there are still certain tasks beyond the reach of ChatGPT. It currently can't create an operating system, for instance, and it will likely be some time before it could match the years of work done by skilled human software engineers in such endeavors. However, the impressive strides it has made signify a promising future, as artificial intelligence continues to push human capability and innovation to new heights. Despite its powerful capabilities, the current version of ChatGPT Code Interpreter acknowledges its limitations. The creation of complex systems like an operating system remains a uniquely human endeavor for now. This balancing act between AI capabilities and human expertise serves as a reminder that while AI is a powerful tool, human innovation, creativity, and collaborative efforts continue to be at the forefront of monumental developments in technology. Nonetheless, these limitations serve as stepping stones towards future advancements, fostering a symbiotic relationship between human skill and artificial intelligence. The ChatGPT Code Interpreter is an impressive step forward, showcasing how artificial intelligence can be a game changer in fields ranging from data analysis to programming. As we've seen, this feature has already brought about numerous remarkable changes, and we can only expect it to become even more transformative in the future. Thank you for joining us today to learn about this exciting development in AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates in the realm of artificial intelligence and technology. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating.